Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up shortcut for our extra dim extra dim screen option in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. First, where to find our extra dim function. We need to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options here and visibility enhancements. Scroll down a bit and here it is, extra dim. In here we have extra dim shortcut. What does it do? Let's turn it on. For example, we have a few options. We can tap the accessibility button. It will be right here. Let's see. This option, please. And here it is. If we set up our intensity as we want, just by clicking this little button, it will change. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.